Hello guys, in this video we will see what is you disconnected from the server since in Among Us and fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step about understanding you disconnected from the server since content this message in Among Us indicates a general network connection failure between your game client and the Among Us server. The sent is a specific internal error code that typically points to a problem with your device's ability to maintain a stable data stream to the game server. It is not usually related to being banned or detected as a cheater, but rather an issue with internet stability, server load, firewall restrictions, or a corrupted game client that prevents proper communication. Step out. Evaluate your internet connection stability. Content the most frequent cause of sense is an unstable or insufficient internet connection. Begin by verifying your Wi-Fi or cellular data strength and stability. Try restarting your home router and modem to refresh your network's connection. Ensure no other devices on your network are heavily consuming bandwidth through streaming large downloads or other online activities. Test your internet by trying to access other online services or games to confirm it's not a localized issue with Among Us specifically. Step to check Among Us server status and change region. Content sometimes the problem lies with the Among Us servers themselves. Consult official Among Us social media channels like Twitter or third-party server status websites to see if there are any reported outages or maintenance. If the servers appear operational, try changing your in-game server region from the main menu. Click the glowy icon in the bottom right corner and select a different region, preferably one geographically closer to you or one that might be less populated to reduce server strain. Step to adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Content firewalls and antivirus software can sometimes incorrectly flag Among Us as a threat or block its outgoing connections, leading to disconnection errors. Temporarily disable your firewall and antivirus software if safe to do so and attempt to connect them Among Us. If this resolves the issue, you will need to add Among Us as an exception for a low rule in your firewall and antivirus settings to permit its network access without constant disabling. This may also apply to router-level firewalls. Step to restart device and game or reinstall Among Us. Content simple glitches or temporary conflicts can often be resolved with a complete restart. Close Among Us entirely, then restart your device, phone, tablet, launch the game again and attempt to connect. If the issue persists, consider reinstalling Among Us. This ensures that any corrupted game files or problematic updates are cleared, providing a fresh installation that might resolve underlying connectivity issues before reinstalling. Ensure your game is updated to the latest version.